Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a Social Pro Connect review, and I'm going to be demoing the product so you can see exactly what it is that you're going to have to do once you get access to this product. And at any time in this video, if you see value in this product or you feel like this is something that you can actually use and benefit from, then the link will be down below in the description. That'll take you over to the website for you to actually make your purchase. All right. Now, with that being said, I want to go ahead and get into it because I don't want to waste your time. I know you're probably a very busy person, so let's get into it. All right, so first things first, you can see is how to leverage the #1 professional network in the world to grow your business without wasting time. So before we kind of move on, this is a LinkedIn software, okay? So if maybe you've always thought about using LinkedIn, or maybe you're already on LinkedIn, right? And maybe you've been looking for a software that's going to help you to save more time in your business, because time is very important for us as entrepreneurs. So I want to be able to share this tool with you. All right, so boom, we got that. Now here's the video. You can watch that because you'll be able to go to this, and that'll be the link in the description. And then here's the get access now. But what we want to do here, as you can see, over 500 million registered members on LinkedIn, 100 million influencers and decision makers, higher average income professionals. So what does that mean? That means more higher quality connections and prospects for you. All right. So basically, more potential for you to make money. All right. So as we continue to go down, this is just some more data here, but let's look at what it actually allows you to do. All right. So you're going to be able to automate your connection requests. So on LinkedIn, we know you can manually do requests. So where you just pressing the connect button and then you go to another profile, you press the connect button, and that takes time, right? That takes a lot of time. And as entrepreneurs, once again, we need to leverage our time and still get massive results. All right. So automate your connection requests. The next thing is automatically like content. So you're going to be able to automate requests, but then automatically like content of the people that you're currently following now. So when you understand this, when you start engaging with other people and you're doing it consistently, let's say you're using the tool quite a bit, those people are going to start to come over back to your page, which is going to bring awareness to you. Okay, so that's the whole process. That's pretty much what's being implemented here by automatically liking the content and once again saving you the time. All right, so the next thing is automate messages. That's pretty simple. You're going to be able to automate that process of sending messages to all of the new connections that you currently have, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So definitely stay tuned. All right, so the last thing is delete pending connection requests. So let's say, for instance, you send out requests, and maybe it's been 2 weeks, and a few people have accepted your request, and then maybe a few people haven't yet. So you could just literally, in the click of a button, you'll be able to delete the pending ones who haven't taken action and brought you into their network. And literally, it's really that simple, guys. All right. All right. So that's pretty much it for the overview page here. And then this is just a few of the things that you can that you'll have access to. So once again, automate connection requests, automate messages, auto like content, auto delete pending requests, free unlimited upgrades. So what does that mean? Get every new feature and upgrade made to Social Pro Connect forever. Okay, so any updates that they have, you'll get them in the system, and there will be no extra. Paying for it. Basically, as you can see it right here. All right, and then the customer support. I'm actually familiar with the people who actually developed this product, and they developed another product that I use called Simple Social Tools. Okay, that product was specifically for Facebook, and their support is stellar. Like it literally is stellar. They will reply back. They'll handle any issues that you have. All right. All right. So that's the overview page. Let's get into actually using the tool so you guys can see exactly how it works. All right. So I'm over here on LinkedIn. Now the first feature of the tool I'm going to be using is to add new connections. So I'm going to go here to the extension, and this is what the extension looks like. I'm going to click on it. Now, this is what it looks like right here. And for some of you, like I said, Simple Social Tools, which is for Facebook, looks sort of similar. But let's go ahead and go through the process. So now what I'm going to do, well, I'm not going to do it yet. So let's say, for instance, right, let's just go to a post that we see here that probably has a lot of likes. All right, so here we go. So if I click on this right here, let's say, for instance, this particular post was related to my specific niche. So I can see it has 55 reactions, 49. So what I want to do is I can leave it on all, or I can click on, you know, this specific one, or whatever you want to do. And then once I'm going to use all. And then what you can do is you can go over here to the extension. You can click on it here. And then all of these people, I can literally add all of these people by clicking the Add Connections button. So notice when I clicked it, it pulled this up right here. Now the first thing I want to do, and I'm just going to make this real quick. I'm going to do it about, 12 seconds here for the time delay. And I recommend using 20 seconds. 20 seconds or more. If you do decide to pick up the tool by clicking the link in the description, do 20 seconds. I'm just doing 12 for example purposes, because I'm not going to be doing a lot of them just for the sake of this video. All right, so this second box here is for, it's basically like this. So it'll be no less than 12 seconds. And then whatever I put here, let's say, for instance, I put 5, it's basically 12 plus 5. So no less than 12 seconds and no more than 17 seconds. All right, so the reason we do that is to connect your account. I mean, to protect your account. So if let's say, for instance, you were doing it at 12 seconds every single time. Like algorithms they pay attention to those things. So if it's no less than 12 and no more than 17, then it can go 13 or 14 or 15. It can keep changing and changing and changing, so the pattern doesn't stay the same. All right, so that's going to actually protect your account. All right, so and then over here, this is the amount of people that you want to add. So in this case, just for the sake of the video, I'm going to go ahead and hit start. And boom, it's gonna be about 12 seconds, or it could be a little bit more based upon the settings I have. So you're gonna see that it says attempted over there on the left side, so just pay attention to that. And also you're gonna see it turn green. So you see, boom, it says connection with Andres Joya has been attempted. Okay, so that connection has been sent, and now it's just literally a waiting process. So as those people start to connect, boom, it's really a simple process, guys. Very simple. All right, so it did what it needed to do. So now I'm just going to go ahead and hit stop here because it's done, and I'm going to close that out. So that's how you use the adding connections tool. So now let me go ahead and get that out of the way real quick. All right, so let me hit the refresh button. Okay. All right, so here we go. So the next thing, we showed you how to do add connections. Now I want to show you how to use the next part of the tool. So let's say, for instance, when I go back here, I have requests that I've already sent out, as I spoke about earlier, and some of those people have it's been 2-3 weeks, and some of them may not have even saw any of the connections. Then you can see it brings me right over here, and then all I gotta do is just press it again, and then it's gonna do it in a click of a button. All right, so here we go over here. You see it says delay, so we can put a delay on it. I'm gonna put about 15 seconds, 12 seconds, and then I'm gonna set the number to 1. I'll just set it to 1 for the sake of this video. Just want to show you guys how the process works, so you'll know like exactly what you're getting your hands on. And this is a powerful tool because, like I said, the product they had similar to the Facebook tool they had, powerful tool, right? Powerful tool. It helped make me a ton of money, right? Not just as selling it, but using it as a tool to grow my audience. All right, so boom, connections canceled, 1. You can see it did it, and you saw it turn green. So that's how you use that tool, that part of the tool. Now the next tool, the next feature is the like content. So let's say, for instance, right, I'll go back to the home feed here. All right, so if I go back to the home feed here, what I can do is I can literally go here and I can go hit like content. Now, what I want to do is I'm just going to keep using this 12-second delay just for sake of this video. And the amount that I want to do, let's just say I want to like 2 posts. Okay, let's just go with that and hit the start button. All right, so just watch the process that it's going to go through. It's going to start to automate the liking process, so the engaging process. All right, so just give it a few seconds. Okay, so you see how it just liked that post automatically? Boom, it's like that post, and it's going to go and find another post since I've chosen 2. So it's just basically going to move the algorithm. You see how I just did that? It's going to do that, and then it's going to like something else. So since I've only chosen 2 likes, that's all it's going to like. So until I see it show up here, once I see it show up there, then I'll stop it. All right, so boom, it's official. It's done it, and as you can see, my hands were here the entire time. All right, so stop. All right, I'm gonna hit close right here, and then the last part of the tool, the Social Pro Connect, is automate the messages. Okay, so basically, guys, this is simple. It's gonna open up the Messages tab, and then all I'm gonna have to do is just hit the messaging tab again, and you're gonna see it pop up over here in the right corner. All right, so let me go ahead and do it again. And okay, boom. All right, so here's the little messaging tab. I'm gonna move this up here. All right, so boom. So hopefully you guys can see this. Hopefully you guys can see it. All right, so right here, I can message up to, the amount of people that I want to message up to. So let's just say I want to message 1 person, okay? Now, it's going to have a before and it's going to have an after. All right, so you see this time that you have here? You can adjust this time if you want to, right? You can change the date and adjust whatever you want to do. But what it's doing is, whatever this time is, you can do all the friends that were added before that time and send them a message. Or you can do all the friends that happened or connections that came in after that time. Okay, so that's what that is. Or you can make it real easy and do the quick times. So if you want to hit 1 day ago, you can do that. If you want to hit 3 days ago, you can do that. 1 week, 2 weeks, 30 days ago, that'll be up to you, right? You'll be able to hit all the connections that you had within that time frame and be able to send them out messages. All right, and then in this box right here, let's say there's some people that you already had a conversation with, and you maybe didn't want to send them another message again. Maybe they weren't interested or something. You can put their name in here. As long as you put their name, let's just say, for instance, this person over here, Leitis. All I would have to do is just put her name in there, and then her full name here, Cabrera. Make sure I spell that right. Cabrera. All right, so boom, her name is in there, and I hit a comma. So when I send these messages out, if she falls within any of these times, it's not going to send her a message. It's going to avoid her. Okay, so that's how that portion works. Now, if I go here, this is where your actual message is going to go. So let's say, for instance, you want to use that person's first name. All I got to do is hit the F button, and boom, first name pops up, and then I can say something like, how are you today? Or whatever it is, whatever you want to say to them to kind of get them to engage with you, you can do that, okay? All right, and then the same thing goes for this. That'll be the full name. So if you want to use the full name, you'll have the the opportunity to do that as well. Okay, now you can do more, and you can do a bunch of different messages. So this is going to be basically like a split test. So sometimes it'll send it this message, sometimes it'll send it that message, and then sometimes it'll send it that message, just so you have an understanding of how it will work. All right, and then after you've pretty much, put your settings in here, I would recommend starting low. Maybe start out with 5, and then as you get better with it, you can go to 10, and you can go to 15, and so on and so on. All right, so that's pretty much how the automating messages works. And that's literally all the features as for right now for Social Connect Pro. Social Pro Connect. All right, so guys, this is a powerful tool. I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it because, like I said, their Facebook tool, I still use it today, which is this one right here. Okay, this is Simple Social Tools. Okay. This was their Facebook tool. I still use that today, and I'm super excited about this LinkedIn tool because I've been on LinkedIn, but it's been more of a manual process for me, and so I'm super excited about Social Pro Connect. All right, so with that being said, guys, I want to give out a bonus, okay? So this is going to be for the action takers, okay? So all the people who are watching this right now, if you're watching this and you see value in this, you see that this is something that you can use to, increase the amount of results that you have in your business. What I want to do is I want to be of help to you. Okay, so what I'll do as a bonus is I'll do a one-on-one call. Okay, this is going to be a one-on-one call, and this is going to be for the action takers. Okay, so on Sunday, the price is actually going to rise. Okay, as of right now, if you go to the link right now, it's $47 one time. $47 one time, and you got it for life. Okay, so for all the action takers who take action, all right, if you're an action taker, you're not sitting on the fence, you see the value in the tool, what I want to do for you is I want to provide you value. I want to show you exactly how I'm going to be implementing using this tool, and then you can kind of take what I'm showing you and how to talk to these people so that when you're actually getting all these connections, you know how to seal the deal and make more money in your business. All right, so what I want to do is a one-on-one call, kind of take you through my process, and I think that's going to be loads of value for you because I've been literally using the same same type of conversation with people over on Facebook and people also here on LinkedIn as well, and it just works, guys. So I want to give that as a bonus to anybody who decides to take action. Get on a one-on-one call with me. Let's kind of break it down and see how this tool will best fit you. All right, so with that being said, guys, hopefully you got some value from today's review. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It definitely helps the video. And for anybody, once again, the people that take action are going to be the ones that get the one-on-one call with me. And literally, all you have to do is purchase the tool, send me a copy of your receipt via email. I'll put my email down below, or you can just send it to me over on Facebook. All that information is down below in the description box, all right? All right, so with that being said, for all the action takers, I look forward to helping you. And everybody that watched this and you got some value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you in the next live video. Peace.